morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. So, welcome back to Standard 3 English Language Lesson 18 Simple Future Tense. In this lesson, we are going to learn about simple future tense. The simple future tense refers to time later than now and expresses facts or certainty. Let's have a look what is simple future tense. Verbs that indicate something taking place in the future, and because they are simple, there are very little conjugation or complexity involved. Let's take a look, shall we? Simple future looks something like I will meditate every morning. Did you notice anything different in the future tense example of verb? It differs slightly because it commonly requires the helping verb will. After all, you are predicting something that will happen, not something that already happened or is currently happening. Now, we will look into the book. Take out your Collins English Grammar and Composition book of Standard 3. Watch the video attentively and carefully. Turn to Lesson 18, the Simple Future Tense, page number 17. Let's get started. Read this poem. I will be a farmer with lots of fowls and chicks and 4 and 20 cows with lots of lamb and sheep. I will run and play with them all day until night falls, when we will go to sleep. So, now children, now complete the sentences with suitable verbs. All verbs have 2 words. So, this poem we have learned, and from this poem only we have to complete these sentences, and remember then all the verbs will have 2 words. Here you see. When the little boy grows up, he will be a farmer. He will have lots of fowls, chicks, lambs and sheep. He will run and play with them all day. At night, they will go to sleep. Here you can see will have, will run, will go, will be a farmer. So these are the verbs, and they are actually, the poem is about a boy, little boy, who is dreaming and who wants to be a farmer, and whatever he wants to do in the future, the poem is all about that. And here you see will with the verb before main verb, the will we have added, and this is the future tense example because it is having the helping verb will. Okay, children? Now, because you are predicting something, the boy is predicting something that will happen in the near future. Now, read the sentences. They will act and play tomorrow. The piper will play at the wedding. I will sleep at 9 o'clock tonight. The verbs will act, will play and will sleep show actions that will happen at some time in the future. This something, it is after all that something that will happen, means not something that already happened or is currently happening, but it will happen. Verbs that show action that will happen in the future are said to be in the simple future tense. So, the definition is that will happen in the future. The verbs, the actions which will happen in the future are said to be in the simple future tense. The simple future tense takes the form will plus verb. Okay, children? Now, let's have a look on the few rules of the simple future tense. Now, here you see, children, rules and useful examples of simple future tense. Simple future tense, in this section, we will be looking at the various rules surrounding the use of the simple future tense and delving into a greater detail. The simple future tense indicates that an action is in the future relative to the speaker or writer. There are no inflected forms for the future in English. Nothing like those, ed, or is endings in other tenses. The formula for the simple future simple is will plus V. That is the base form of the verb. Will plus verb base form. Okay. Positive sentences as subject plus, here you see in positive sentence we will see subject plus will plus verb, then base form, then objective plus object. Sorry, not objective but object. Example, I will go to Thailand. Negative sentence, subject plus will not or won't plus base form of the verb plus object. Example, I will not go to Thailand. Then in question form, how it will be? Question form, first will, then subject, then the verb base form we will take, and then the object or whatever. Then example, will you go to Thailand? So like this you have to form the future tense. Okay children, hope you have understand the lesson, and in the next part of the video we will do the exercise. Till then, take care. Bye bye.